Hi guys, kumusta? Today is February 22 and you know February 22 is very memorable to me, especially February 22, 2019. You know why? Let me share this. Yan. You know, this was my first TV commercial with Echo. And last year, exactly last year, in-air yung TV commercial namin. Yeah. Isang taon na agad when it was first aired on national TV. And I think all through the period of ECQ lockdown, especially the mga March, May, and June, ito yung laging napapanood ng mga tao sa TV, itong commercial na to. Okay, but before we go to the actual commercial, okay, let me introduce my co-workers here, co-artists. Okay, this one, okay, sila yung gumanap ng mga customers namin. Meron dyan, uh, tapos na yung gupitan, meron yung midway, meron yung mamassage na lang yung kanyang head. No? And I was tasked to do the finishing task. No? Ito, I think si Ion to, si Ion. Okay, the one on the extreme right, Ion, and then we have si Prince, okay, and then si, I think, June, okay, so sila yung mga customers. And we are the barbers, you know, uh, the guy on my left is Carlos, and the girl on my right is Lorraine. We're supposed to be uh, a family, no? Anak ko silang dalawa dito, and we're working under the ownership of Echo, Jericho Rosales. We were shocked, no, during the actual shooting. Si Jericho pala ang magiging ano namin, manager or siya yung owner ng Great Barber Shop. And he was a nice guy, no? As a manager. Imagine siya pa yung magko-call ng break, and then he would give us the Great Taste Coffee Barako. Ang concept kasi nito is parang pagod na kami, gano'n. Napansin yung aming manager na pagod na kami, over. So he gave us this brown cup, you know, the kaping barako, great taste brown barako. He is really dito, approachable and accommodating, you know, kasi I thought, kasi iba, impression, Echo is snob or sort like that, but he was not. In fact, I was able to have a picture with him, and he's so accommodating. He would call me Tito. I remember that. He would call me. And I even asked him if he could give a short video for my birthday greetings. Video greeting for my birthday, 60th birthday. So, this is it. Ito yung aming commercial. Okay, so let's watch and
Break muna!
yan,
Mga kabarako ko, dapat lang matikman nyo.
yan.
May tamang timplang kape na to, New Great Taste Brown Barako. May Barako Coffee Brown Sugar. May Barako Coffee Brown Sugar. Sisigla ka sa kape na to, New Great Taste Brown Barako. Tikman ang strong and creamy linamnam ng Barako Coffee at Brown Sugar. Mag New Great Taste Brown Barako.
So, yon. Yan ang aming commercial, Great Taste Brown Barako. But you know what's special about this commercial? Okay, it happened in 2019. The shooting took place in 2019 when there was no lockdown yet, and it was aired during lockdown. And I thank God that we were able to do the shooting that month of November. Okay, we were still able to do that, and we're able to get, of course, some cash, okay, which helped me celebrate Christmas 2019 in a better way, in a grander way. Kasi, syempre, magtanggap din ako doon, professional fee. Pero ang maganda doon is it all took place 2019. Hindi noong 2020 wherein there was lockdown. Kaya noong February 22, exactly 1 year, this commercial was aired on national TV. So yun lang. It's a great day. Hey, don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel and be blessed. Thank you. So that's it, guys. Bye bye.